Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto from Exodus. First, ensure your Exodus wallet is fully set up and funded. You'll need to have your account ready before proceeding with any purchases. This process is straightforward, guiding you through each necessary step to acquire your desired cryptocurrency directly within the application. We'll cover everything from initial setup to final confirmation. Before buying, download the Exodus wallet from their official website or app store. Once installed, create a strong, unique password to protect your funds. Most importantly, back up your 12-word recovery phrase immediately and store it in a very secure, offline location. This phrase is your only way to restore your wallet if you lose access. With your wallet ready, open Exodus and navigate to the Buy and Sell section. Here, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Choose the one you desire, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, simply enter the amount you wish to spend, for example, $50, and the system will show you the equivalent crypto amount. Next, select your payment method. Exodus typically offers options like bank transfers or debit and credit cards. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and the cryptocurrency you are receiving. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase. Your new crypto will then be deposited directly into your Exodus wallet, usually within minutes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.